these are like the same guy owns all these?
I would assume so, yeah. Look, all the plates, they're all pretty similar new. Oh, that wasn't there. Look, an E-Type. Oh, look. Maybach? Brand new. Next. Lobster slider.
No, GT3.
Interesting. You got all the console plated cars here, look. I actually saw one. There's an S-Class here that's slammed right here. Look.
Dang.
That's console plated too. Look. What the heck? Or is this...
Is it unbagged or?
Sick. Just a 599 hiding in the shadows. What the heck?
Kind of Testarossa here. Nice.
We need like a flashlight for them. We have to get out and you have to see. M6 R129 SL R8 488
488.
The soft top, Bronco, Porsches, Peugeot Evo, and like a bunch of like weird older cars. There was a mirror in here the other day. It's new GTV, right?
Yeah.
What is this doing here?
992 GT3.
Dude, look at that. Actually, DBX. That actually is pretty good.
Just a casual 6x6.
Oh, this Panamera. Oh, here we go. Oh. Panamera is blocking us. Oh, no. Troy 31. That thing's monstrous, dude. Oh, yeah, that's really nice. Man.
Classic cars, classic Astons. Nice.
Oh, it's real. Oh shit.
Anything under the cover? It's an old Ferrari, I think. For this.
Oh, okay.
Maybe a Dino.
Dino.
Yeah, a Dino.
That's
And maybe a Rolls Royce in the back.
Yeah. Wow.
360. Flexing. Ford Giotto.